I'm a caterpillar. I'm a caterpillar. Munch, crunch. I'm getting bigger. Munch, crunch. Munch, crunch. Munch, crunch. That's it. No more food. I'm done. It's time to hang from a stem. I wait and wait and wait. I shiver, I twist, I split my skin. My old skin falls away. I am soft inside. I am a pupa. I grow a shell to protect the pupa. I am now a chrysalis. I keep changing. Soon I'll come out. What will I be? A butterfly. Push, crack. Wow, I'm free. My wings are all wet. My wings dry off, they unfold. Flap, flap, hey, I can fly! Ta-da! I visit flowers, I drink nectar. Yum! My mouth is like a straw. Sip, sip, sip. I have a mate. We visit many flowers. We're not afraid of birds. They know that we taste awful. Soon I will lay my eggs. The eggs have thin shells. Baby caterpillars crawl out. Hi, I'm a caterpillar. Munch, crunch. What will happen to me next? Do you know?